Okay, you can see my toaster oven door is horrible. I've wiped it down with soap and water, which didn't do anything. And it has little burn marks up on top too, or smoke or grease marks, I don't know. So I'm going to try the solution. It's water, baking soda, and lemon juice. When I put the lemon juice in it, it bubbled up a minute, but let's see if it works. I'm just going to dip it in there and rub it around and see if it helps at all, because it looks terrible and I don't like that. I know nobody does, but soap just did not work. I got this at the thrift store for about $5. It was totally worth it. My oven is broken. The stovetop works, but the oven is broken. It needs a heating element, and I just can't afford to do that right now, so I'm using a toaster oven, and it doesn't seem like it's working at all. I'm really putting my arm into it, and it's not working at all. So this doesn't work. As you can see, there's a little dirt on there, but so I'm going to try a wash rag. I was using a paper towel, and maybe it just didn't have enough oomph, so I'm going to use a kitchen towel. Let's see if that works. No, it is not working. Maybe if I just, let's see, maybe if I pour it on there, let it sit for a minute, spread it out, like that'll work. I went online and everybody said to use baking soda, but baking soda's in this, and as you can see, it does not work. I want everything to look clean. I don't want it to look like it's got bacteria on it. Alright, we're going to let that sit for a minute and see if that'll help. Alright, here we go. Really rubbing hard. There's a real dirty spot there, and it's not moving it at all. Alright, so I'm just going to pour baking soda on it. I'm just going to pour baking soda right on it. I'll see if I can rub it in and see if that'll work. I shut my left hand in the back door yesterday. It hurt all my fingers, so it's not easy to do this right now. It looks like the baking soda by itself is working better than anything else. So I'm going to put the wet baking soda real thick on there. This is really a hard job, and it's not doing very much. Okay, so it's barely doing anything. I'm working myself to death here. So I'm going to try something else. Let me get this mess up. Okay. So I'm going to try a little bit of vinegar and see if that works better. Hold on, I dropped some on the floor, and I don't want my dogs to get it. I'm sure it's not poison, but I don't want them to get to it because they're goofy like that. They'll eat it. Alright, so now Now I'm just gonna soak a hand towel with vinegar and see if the vinegar works. And it does not. Okay, that didn't work. So, I'm gonna try something different. It's probably grease. So let's see if oil will take it off. Whoop, that didn't work. I don't know what to do. I've tried baking soda, lemon juice, vinegar. I even put oil on there to see if it would cut the grease, but it didn't. Alright, I got this cleaner. It's called Zep Power Foam. Let's see if it works. Alright, Zep Power Foam. Clean this glass up. Well, I wish I had gloves because it smells like chemicals and I really didn't want that on my hands. It did not work. So I have to wash my hands. Alright, so far everything I've tried has not worked. Hey everybody. And it looks like it is coming right off. All I had to do was go to the dollar store. Now you see the, now let me scrub it a little bit and see what happens. I hope y'all can see. I mean, I don't expect it all to come off because some of it is just scratches. I got it at the thrift store for $5. It's really old. But so let's just work on this glass. It looks pretty bad. I know you can see it. I don't know if this will work, but we'll see. I mean, it's taken a... I'm having to scrub it hard, but it looks like it actually is doing better than anything I've tried so far. I think what I'm going to have to do is get a fresh Brillo pad. Because I think sometimes they get used up, they don't work anymore, or they just don't work as good. Let me get another one. Show you what I got. I got this one from the thrift store for $1. Dollar Tree. Got it from Dollar Tree. Now I'm just going to wet it a little. see if a new one will work better than the one I used to clean that pan a while ago with. Boy, did that pan come clean. I should have put it on this video, but I didn't even think about it. Well, a new one's working just like the old one was. You really have to scrub it. I think what I'm going to have to do is put some water on here so I can just see where I'm at. Be right back. I know y'all can see the big difference. I mean, it's not done, but it's a big difference. And what's left really is just the edges here. I've got to clean them up. The front's very dirty. I'll show you how clean the top came. So the top looks pretty good. That looks better, but I'm going to clean the outside right quick. Wet it a little more. Got some stubborn stains on here. Stubborn grease stains, probably. Smoke stains. I don't know. Just cooking stains, really. Alright. Alright, let me clean it up and see how it looks now. I'll do a wipe with this rag, and then I'll go rinse it off and come back to get the rest. So I'll be right back. Alright, let's just wipe the whole thing down. Alright, let me show you so you can see how much better it looks. Look at that. Big difference, huh? Alright, I see a little bit more stains. It's going to take me, oh, you see that up at the top there? Let's try to get that off. Sorry about that. That is thick stains right there. It's like real smoke stains, you know? It does look better though. So anyway, if anybody's trying to clean something, it's real hard to clean, I give a thumbs up on the Brillo pad. The Brillo pads that are $1 at Dollar Tree. It's really worth it. See you later, everybody.